Welcome to Module 10, Building Your AI Career. In this module, we will focus on how to integrate AI into your current role, especially if you are a manager. We'll also introduce various AI tools that can help with productivity, decision-making, and staying competitive in the modern workplace. AI is having a profound impact on the workplace, and it's transforming how businesses operate. Whether you're a manager or an individual contributor, AI can be used to automate repetitive tasks, streamline operations, and provide data-driven insights for better decision-making. For managers, AI enables you to optimize processes, improve decision-making accuracy, and empower your teams with data that helps them work more efficiently. The goal is to integrate AI into your daily workflows to enhance productivity. There are several ways to integrate AI into your role. Automate repetitive tasks. AI tools can handle routine activities like scheduling, reporting, and data entry. This frees up your time to focus on higher-level strategy and decision-making. Use AI for data analysis. AI can sift through large amounts of data, providing you with insights and trends that help you make informed decisions faster. Implement AI-driven decision-making tools. AI can help managers by analyzing data and predicting outcomes, assisting you in making better, more data-driven decisions. For example, you can use AI to forecast sales, track employee performance, or optimize workflows. There are several AI tools available that can help managers increase productivity and improve decision-making. Chatbots. Chatbots can automate both customer service and internal communications, answering common questions, handling basic requests, and freeing up your team to focus on more complex tasks. AI-powered project management tools. Tools like Trello or Asana now integrate AI to help automate project tracking, task assignments, and even provide suggestions for optimizing team efficiency. Data analytics platforms. Platforms like Tableau use AI to help managers visualize and interpret data, making it easier to identify trends, predict outcomes, and drive strategy. Here are some of the most common AI tools that can be integrated into your daily operations. These platforms now offer AI-powered bots that help automate tasks, such as scheduling meetings, answering FAQs, or organizing projects. You can use these tools to forecast sales trends or track employee performance. Let's now test your understanding with a quiz. Match the following managerial tasks with the best AI tool that could automate or enhance the task. Automating customer support responses. A chatbot would be ideal for this task, as it can handle routine customer queries, provide instant responses, and escalate issues when necessary. Visualizing sales data to identify trends. A tool like Tableau would be perfect for this, as it uses AI to analyze and visualize data, making it easier to spot patterns and trends. To wrap up, here are the key takeaways from this module. AI can enhance a manager's role by automating repetitive tasks, providing data-driven insights, and improving decision-making. Integrating AI into your workflows allows you to focus on strategy and innovation. There are several AI tools that can help with productivity, including chatbots, project management platforms, and data analytics tools. Learning how to leverage these tools will help you and your team become more efficient and effective. Familiarizing yourself with AI technologies will help you stay competitive in an AI-driven workplace.